एज यू ऑल नो, जैसे ही हम सीनियर फ्रेंड्स ने दूसरे स्टेट्स में काम करना शुरू किया, मैंने बहुत सारे स्टेट्स में हेल्प की थी दूसरे स्टेट्स में जाके काम करने का। लेकिन हमारे कई युवा फ्रेंड्स जो थे, यूथ्स थे, वो लोग ने ऑलरेडी केरला में थोड़ा काम करना शुरू किया था। तो थोड़ा माहौल पता चला था कि वहाँ पे बहुत सारे यूथ्स हैं और यानी यूथ पावर बहुत ज़्यादा है, एम्प्लॉयमेंट है, बिजनेस है, सब चलता है, लेकिन यूथ्स के पास बहुत टाइम है, बहुत सुंदर ब्यूटीफुल हार्ट है उनके। वो लोग जब यहाँ आए थे, वो लोग जब बात करते तो ऐसा होता था कि हमको कुछ करना चाहिए वहाँ पे जाके। और वैसे क्योंकि हम लोग सीनियर्स हैं, हम लोग बेसिकली ज़्यादातर हम लोग गवर्नमेंट के साथ या NGOs के साथ PIF प्रोजेक्ट करते हैं। तो हमने सबसे पहले गवर्नमेंट के साथ काम करने के लिए अप्रोच किया था। एंड ये हमने एक सीनियर्स ने एक तरह गवर्नमेंट के साथ भी काम करना शुरू किया और यूथ्स ने अपना प्रोजेक्ट तो चालू ही रखा था। देयर वाज अ वेरी यंग एंड डायनामिक लेडी. She was the Commissioner of Collegiate Education and she was also the Director of Kerala State Civil Services Academy. और उनका ऐसा विजन था कि बहुत सारे यंग एजुकेटर्स हैं जो लोग वहाँ पे क्लासेस आते हैं ट्रेनिंग के लिए। तो उन्होंने ऐसा कहा कि ये जो एजुकेटर्स है वो बाहर जाके फिर सिविल सर्विसेज में जाएंगे, तो इफ़ दे गो आउट इन द सोसाइटी एंड इफ़ दे गेट दिस सच टाइप ऑफ ट्रेनिंग्स इट विल बी हेल्पफुल टू द सोसाइटी। सो इसलिए हमने उन लोगों के लिए एक L3 कोर्स का जो हमारा पूरा 1 साल का है वो शुरू किया था, जिसमें नेहा बेन वॉज द फैसिलिटेटर। और वो जो पूरा 1 साल का प्रोसेस होता है उसमें जो बेनिफिशियरीज थे उन्होंने फिर उनके जो बच्चे हैं उनके लिए क्लासेस, लाइव क्लास, लाइव कैंप्स लेना शुरू किया था।
हाँ, क्या मैजिक हुआ कि जो हमारे वो सब सिविल सर्विस एकेडमी के एजुकेटर्स थे और उनको जब कैरेक्टर एजुकेशन के बारे में पता चला तो काफी लोगों को इतना छू गया कि उन्होंने जब शुरू किया वो साल में तो बहुत काम किया ही, लेकिन उसके बाद के 2 साल कोर्स तो खत्म हो गया। 1 ईयर का हमारा जो था वो पूरा खत्म हो गया। उसके बाद भी 5-6 लोग हैं जो अपने आप ही लाइव क्लास, लाइव कैंप चलाते रहते। फिर मुझे 3-4 महीने के बाद पता चला कि वो लोग इतना इंस्पायर्ड हुए कि अभी तक कर रहे। फिर हमको भी पता चला, रिकॉर्ड लिया कि कितने हो रहे हैं। सो दे आर स्टिल वर्किंग। 2 दिन पहले ही जो अभी जिनका हम सुनने वाले हैं उसने बोला कि मैंने वापस एक लाइव क्लास लिया है। दे आर इन डिफरेंट एकेडमी बट दे लव दिस एजुकेशन।
देयर आर मेनी अदर फ्रेंड्स ऑल्सो कि जो लोग ये काम अभी बहुत सहजता से कर रहे हैं। वो लोग जो भी ट्रेनिंग लेते हैं या उनके जो भी क्लासेस चलते हैं उन्हें लगता है कि नहीं, यहाँ पे ये क्लास को मुझे ये टॉपिक की ज़रूरत है, वो लोग क्लास ले लेते हैं। सो इट गोज ऑन एंड ऑन। सो ये है एजुकेटर्स यानी जो गवर्नमेंट का जो प्रोसेस था वो। और ये प्रोग्राम खत्म हुआ है, हमारा L3 कोर्स है वो खत्म हो गया है, बट द एजुकेटर्स दे हैव नॉट स्टॉप दिस वर्क, सो इट्स ऑन गोइंग। और ये देख के जो हमारे अभी एर्नाकुलम के कलेक्टर है, ही वॉज ऑल्सो वेरी इम्प्रेस्ड। उन्होंने जब ये सब पढ़ा था, सुना था, और उन्होंने अभी ऐसा तय किया है कि उनके जो कलेक्ट्रेट के जो यंग पीपल है, जो उन्होंने कहा कि जो यूथ है मेरे यहाँ के, उनके लिए आपको एक स्पेशल कोर्स करना पड़ेगा, ताकि क्योंकि वो लोग मेरे पूरे डिस्ट्रिक्ट में जा रहे हैं, तो वो लोग काम कर रहे हैं, लोगों से मिल रहे हैं, तो आई वॉन्ट टू सर्व माई पीपल लाइक दैट। तो आप इनको प्लीज इनके लिए एक कोर्स करिए। इट विल स्टार्ट फ्रॉम February 2025. So that is the government project. Objective of working in Kerala is not going there and working. It is basically the people of Kerala, they should start up doing this work on their own, for their own people. And I think we have started in that direction, and literally none of us are going there except the L3 facilitator, and even she has started training the Kerala State Civil Service Academy educators to be the next L3 facilitators, so that they can continue that journey henceforth.
So, for me, it's a normal camp. I'm from Kerala, and all I know, it's something happened in Gujarat, and I just came with a lot of strangers. I haven't met any one of them. And I came here being very academic, being very smart, having a good family background and everything. I think I'm having a good life. The L3 workshops just made me feel, just made me realize that what all things I'm missing in my life. There is a lot of realization. There is a lot of things I should understand. And the most important concept that I still carry with me is that the concept of to be loved. To be loved by the people that you have no idea who are there, but they really understand, value you, respecting you, like giving the time. The to be loved concept is something still I'm in the process. Still I'm not able to digest it properly, how one person can really understand. So back there, when I said I was traveling with a lot of strangers and I went back with a family. The family is so beautiful that they just look after each other in everything. If something that a single phase of going down, they know it and they will just get into it and make it's under control. We did 2 projects, 2 massage, and we done it in a way we don't know what to do, but we just giving. We have no idea whether we reach the children, whether the teachers will agree, whether the principal will agree. There's a lot of no's, but still we are doing it. We are giving whatever we can with our limited resources, our limited time. Because as students, we are under pressure to do a lot of academics, we are under pressure to do a lot of family matters, but still the people out there doesn't know what is psoriasis. So it's very hard to explain them what is really happening here. But still we all know that we have get a lot more than we expected, and it's our time and it's our energy to do it back. So the family is not here, but still the 7 of us who were the first team, like we made it into a family, and I can call them and I know they are there. Like I know them. That's a part of my family. I got the family from here when I came here all alone. And as a facilitator, it was started in 2023. All of a sudden I got an energy that I should do something. And why this lot of energy very unexpectedly is all because my birthday. So I have to do something, but I don't know what to do. Why can't I do something with Oasis? But where to start? How to start? That a lot of confusions are there, right? So I just made a mind that I will go to the nearby school and ask them, these are the sessions we are done. Is there any possibility that we can do that? She said, today evening, 4:30, there is a session, that's a slot, you can do it. That wasn't expecting. I am a person who need 1 week of preparation, who need the blueprint, all the prints to get, it's so perfect. That person just give me 2 hours you can take the session. So my automate or that said, no, I can't do that. I just need a 1. But I said, no, I will do it. So I just called back, the community, the family I brought, I called one of them and asked what to do. So she just guided me. These are the things to be done. These are the things. I have the books also. So the 2023 birthday, if I look back, I have no idea what the all other day went, but I know at 2024, okay, I know I have did a class AKT. I touched 50 plus children. And the next day I arranged a session for my friends, so they started doing it. They enjoying it. So that's a very, very beautiful way that if you want to do something, just do it. Don't think of the result or just don't think of the no's. Just do it. You will know it. And back then, last year, 2024 December, when I got a call, can you do a facilitation part? Not a co-facilitator. That's very safe, right? The main person will be here. You have to be that go around. I'm very good at the going around part. So she's asking me the facilitation part. And she gave me a glimpse at, usually we do the session live classes for the 8 to 10 children, but they really insisted that the kids are from 6, 7, 5th, 6, 7. That's very small kids. So not knowing it, I said, okay, my energetic voices is to say yes, because I know it's going to be the first, it's going to be the nice one. So I said, yes, why not? But just going there, seeing the children, I really got the reality. The children won't sit. They have to go around. They have so much energy that in my whole life I don't have it. The energy is like, you have to imagine 24 kids, they have to be like, when we are going to play. That kind of energy they have. I'm like, how can I tell them the Jerry story? They wanted the climax. And some of them having very good visualizing imagination. They said the climax for the beginning also. So my Jerry story got by in 4 minutes. I have nothing to say. I just made them to meditate, to sit in. Nothing is working and not working. I just started to panic because we are conducting this classes or in a very, very silent area. So they are getting also disturbed. So I understood this is not under control. Something needs to be done, and you got the family, right? So I called the Shiva Didi and said, this is not going good. I have no idea what to do. I was so panicked and called her. The 2 words from her just made me relax and said, everything is under control. She just asked me to do what to do next. She just made me to sit, just be there for 2 minutes. What the children really want. How to connect to them. You have to imagine a movie that is going so bad, the halfway so bad, it went to the blockbuster in the middle way. The children really enjoyed. They really enjoyed in a way like their feedbacks is all about how calm and kind I was, which I never thought. And they're really impressed by why I couldn't use a cane, stick. Because the teachers of theirs, their school teachers they really able to understand the difference in us. They really able to find the relaxed, calm children, teachers they wanted in their life. They able to, the afternoon section is all about the role play. And they really able to express them. So that we all are here sitting as the facilitators, all are taking the facilitation part. The children need that freedom. The children need that kind, listening heart. That's all they wanted. And as a student, I'm able to connect them and really understand them. Because I also need teachers and who can really, if my face is going that well, to ask me, is everything okay? So we need teachers, and all the jury projects are going on. We want the teachers like that. And thank you, Oasis, for doing that.